Oh, there's no falling down here. Oh, about 220 steps. Pretty big. Oh, look at this, look at this. So heading towards the bus stand, head towards the next location. What are the bus stands? Pandav Leni Caves. We got the bus, we're getting in the bus. So here we go. There are about 220 steps all the way till the caves. Who needs the stairs when you have a trail? We're just taking the trails right now. So we've got the ticket for the entrance. Ticket. Thank you. We've just reached the first cave. There are at least 22 over here. Just imagine how all of these were hand carved back in the day. Going inside, we have this. Moving forward, we have the second one. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Respectfully. So you're now seeing the cave 4. And idiots like these ruin all of these beautiful places. That's another cave again. This is more. That's about it. A small water tank with a lot of fishes. Interesting. Beautiful, beautiful sculptures. This one's crazy. Pretty big. That's literally carved out of the hill. Oh, look at this, look at this. That is beautiful, man. Got more upstairs. Let's go there. The hilltop view from here looks spectacular. Let me show you. You walk, and all of a sudden, this. I found this to be one of the very beautiful ones. Again a good cave, and again shitty people doing shitty things. We are nearly reaching the last cave. It's been a fun adventure so far. I'm gonna be exploring further though. There is a bit to cover yet. Let's see how this goes. The last bit of the hill. I don't know where this is going to, but I'm still gonna explore. This is steep, but I'm gonna try anyways. I wanna see what's up. Oh, there's no falling down here. It's gonna be a bad fall. Okay, it's gonna be a bit slippery. It's all falling down, man. There's nothing to hold on to. It's turning out to be a bad idea. Oh, that looks bad. That's a bad idea. Going back all the way down. There is no way going down. I'm gonna slide down. There's no point going up because I could see the other side. It's way inclined. There's nothing around there. But although from down I could see there was a flag, a red flag probably. But from here, that's a suicidal mission. Wow. This got embedded in my hand. You can see all these thorns. They hurt really bad. Let me get this off. After gracefully screwing up, here we are on another trail. This is a proper trail. We've got to go all the way there. It's a good solo hike. I haven't seen anyone for quite some time now. Just moving further. I can hear some weird noises around here. I don't know if the Gopro is able to capture that. Not worth checking out. It's another place to be bitten. I'm alone over here. Here we go. I can see the flag. It's pretty close. Power. We have reached. We made it to the summit. Amazing. Okay. I reckon this is for me though. The bench. Chill up here with a flag. Laptop. Quick, it's just nice. It's time to move right now. Gotta be careful. I think it's about to rain. It's gotta be fun though. I could literally see thundering around, and the thing about this place is around here the thunder reaches the ground. I hope I'm not lost because I can't see any trails connecting to the caves. Well, let's hope. Voila. I don't see a trail. I believe it's a little more time. Made it out. Back to the civilization. I just stepped on and follow me. I reckon this is termite hill, probably. Or I do see termite hill.